In the bustling streets of Cairo, a group of curious children named Alex, Maya, and Omar stumble upon an old and weathered artifact, a tattered map leading to the lost treasures of the Pharaohs. The map's intricate drawings and mysterious symbols ignite their imagination and fill their hearts with a sense of excitement and wonder. As they gather around the map, the children's eyes sparkle with anticipation. They realize that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for an extraordinary adventure. With their minds buzzing with curiosity and their hearts filled with bravery, they make a pact to embark on this journey together, come what may. The children's diverse strengths and talents complement one another perfectly. Alex, with his keen eye for details, is the master navigator. Maya, with her quick thinking and problem-solving skills, is the group's strategist. Omar, with his strength and agility, is their fearless explorer. Together, they form an unstoppable team. Their families and friends, although worried about their safety, see the spark in their eyes and support their decision to venture into the unknown. With the blessings and encouragement of their loved ones, the children gather their supplies and set off on their grand expedition. Leaving the familiar streets of Cairo behind, the children find themselves venturing into the vast and mystical desert. The scorching sun beats down on them, but their determination fuels their spirits. They trek through shifting sands and cross ancient ruins, each step bringing them closer to the secrets of the Pharaohs. As they follow the map's faded markings, they encounter their first challenge, a treacherous canyon with no visible way across. Fear creeps into their hearts, but they remember their pact. They place their trust in each other and work together, ingeniously creating a bridge of woven ropes and fallen branches to safely cross the gaping chasm. Their trust in one another grows stronger with each obstacle they overcome. They rely on each other's encouragement, support, and unwavering belief. Along the way, they discover hidden chambers, solve intricate puzzles, and decipher cryptic hieroglyphics, all while learning the importance of trust and teamwork. Their journey not only teaches them about the ancient treasures of the Pharaohs but also about themselves. They develop a profound understanding that trust is the cornerstone of their friendship and the key to unlocking their true potential. Their unity becomes unbreakable, forming a bond that will endure the test of time. Little do they know that their adventure will not only lead them to the long-lost treasures but also to the greatest treasure of all, each other. As they continue their expedition, the children brace themselves for the unknown wonders and challenges that lie ahead, united by their shared trust and an unyielding spirit of exploration.